Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric chainsaw. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. The item number 5 in our list is Nanwai Brushless Industrial Electric Chainsaw. Specifications: brand name, Nanwai. Motor type, brushless. Usage, renovation team. Is _customized, yes. Frequency, 50-60 HE. Application, wood saw. Power source, DC. Saw type, chainsaw. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is 52cc 2-cycle gas chainsaw. Specifications: usage, home DIY. Is _customized, no. Type, other. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, 16-inch electric chainsaw. Specifications: model, 405-7. Size of sawn wood, 35 cm. Power, 2000 watts. Material, plastic case/aluminum gearbox. Speed, 800 r/min motor, 40 high all copper wire motor. Color, all copper blue. Voltage, 220 V, 50 HE. Weight, 5.300 kilograms. DIY supplies, woodworking. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is 16-inch brushless electric chainsaw. Specifications: brand name, King Hui. Voltage, DC 18-21 volts. Motor, brushless motor, outer rotor. Guide plate size, 16 inches. Speed, 10 meters per second. Specification, 16-inch/3/8. Switch, stepless speed regulation. Battery compatible, 1,830,184,018,501,860. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Kakyoin 12-inch brushless electric chainsaw. Specifications: brand name, Kakyoin. Motor type, brushless. Battery, 2 pieces. Usage, home DIY. Wattage, 1000 to 1299 watts. Max. Cutting width, 12 inch. Blade diameter, 12 inch. No load speed, 30,000 revolutions per minute. Frequency, 50/60ths of a hertz. Application, wood saw. Origin, mainland China. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.